This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another glass for you guys. This is from Guess Original. You see how beautiful finishing of this pack from Guess Original from United States. One button, look, let's open this glass. Wow, inside you see how beautiful this is, how beautiful packaging. Before going to the glass, let's see what we have more inside. Okay, nothing else. Normally other brand they send you many things, but whatever. Here we have a cotton for clean. Look at this beautiful piece of glass here. Put down here. Yeah, we go. See how is written Guess. The cotton, very soft, elegant, high quality to clean your glass. It's going to be unisex. You can use both male and female. Normally these days you can do that. But look at this, how you have beautiful design here of Guess. Lovely. Wow. Basically this is for female in this case. See the design, magnificent design. Look at this here. How perfect this one. And here some number and information you can read here. Guess. Few things you have here. One screw this side. This side you have branding Guess. And other information is written. Wow. Magnificent glass, guys. Lovely. Here also your branding Guess, you can see. This side as well, Guess. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.